Let's get started then. At the beginning, let's explain what is the plan for every part and talk about the growing demand for this type of tool in the developing industrial companies. In the broadly understood industry, more and more attention is drawn to the effective organization of internal logistics based on the principles of Lean. The key element of thriving internal logistics and warehouse management has become a smooth and lossless flow functioning within the company. Organization and optimization of storage space, as well as analysis of their value. Despite the support that the ERP systems provide, they do not give a complete picture of the facts. As a result, verification of any discrepancy of an individual reference requires a lot of effort and involvement of the logistics team. The PFEP plan for every part is a standardized file to collect data on the components and to document their current situation. It's a tool that helps planners and managers understand the key characteristics of parts and components. It's the process of optimizing and streamlining material planning, logistics, and warehouse management. It includes levels of inventory and calculations related to the Kanban, transport costs, planning the supply of components and parts onto production lines, requirements related to storage, and much more information. The PFEP file is editable and regularly updated. It contains a lot of information needed to facilitate the operation and planning of logistic processes. To introduce such a system, you need to understand everything about each part, how each part is purchased, received, packaged, stored, and delivered to the point of use. In fact, much of this information exists in the organization, but is stored in many different places under the control of many different managers and is mostly invisible. This situation often frustrates employees and significantly extends their working time. We've already said a bit about the use of the PFEP, but I assure you that's not all. This tool has many more advantages. The PFEP plan for every part can present a real picture of the quality of material management within the company. To get a better understanding of what I want to convey to you, I'm going to use an analogy. Usually, when you go on a journey, you start with a plan. You consider what you want to visit, how much time and money you're going to spend on it, and by what means of transport you'll need. You choose accommodation, duration of your stay in particular places, and so on. Supplies, parts, raw materials that we manage also go through the same process of journey. And similarly, they should be well planned and well organized. We should provide the right amount of supplies, not too much, not too little. Control costs, transport and storage, reduce waiting time. Check what is the shortest route and what is the best option for transportation. Now look at it from another side. The operator has standardized work. He has a plan to implement. He focuses on the tact. Standardized work for the management means to focus on one day, week, or month. And for the material, how can we connect standardized work for raw materials, parts, materials? What is the plan for each part? How do we focus on the part's travel? This journey cannot be seen in such systems as MRP or ERP, but the PFEP, Plan for Every Part, makes this journey visible. It can be then monitored and controlled. We can say that the PFEP Plan for Every Part is a go and see for materials.